Mountain Loop Highway is a scenic byway that connects the towns of Granite Falls, Washington, and Darrington, Washington. This route is a small part of the full loop formed by State Routes 9, 92, and 530, and spans 52 miles, 13 of which are the unpaved Forest Route number 20. A number of hiking trails can be reached by this route, as well as Forest Service campgrounds and dispersed camping spots. Up until now, my adventures have all been solo day trips. I've done it this way because my daughter is just over a year old, and I don't want to get into a bad situation in the boonies with my young family in the truck with me. Fall is upon us here in the Pacific Northwest, and that means the forest is full of changing leaves. My beautiful wife is the photographer of the family, and this is one of her favorite times of the year to go out and take pictures. So we decided to take a trip up the Mountain Loop Highway to see the sights and get some pictures of the gorgeous fall colors. The weather was perfect and the roads were in good shape, making it a great day to take our little girl out for her very first, albeit short, trail ride. The unpaved section of the Mountain Loop Highway is well maintained during the summer months, and Forest Route 20 is accessible to nearly any vehicle in drivable condition. Anyone considering this trip can make it as long as their vehicle doesn't have absurdly low ground clearance, and I've seen sports cars and regular sedans making the journey right behind lifted trucks and Jeeps. In addition to the beautiful colors of fall and the scenic mountain views that peek through the trees from time to time, we were never far from view of the Sauk River or the South Fork of the Stillaguamish. In all, for anyone interested in getting out to get their feet wet in Mount Baker Snoqualmie National Forest without straying too far from home or civilization, the Mountain Loop Highway is an excellent choice. Whether you want to go for a hike, get some fishing in, or just set up a hammock by the river and enjoy the peace of nature, there's something on the mountain for everyone. And as for my family, the little one handled the long and sometimes bumpy ride very well. My wife got to take plenty of pictures, and we all got to enjoy the fresh air. Overall, I'd say the trip was successful and will serve as the cornerstone for many family memories to come. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, I hope you leave a like and a comment. Also, please consider subscribing, and we hope to see you in future videos.